In the last class, we had solved a problem related to finding the HCF of two positive integers. In this video, we'll be solving one more problem related to it. Hi all, I am Vinayak and welcome back to Vinayak Maths Mastery. Problem 2 states that find the HCF of 176 and 38220 using Euclid's Division Algorithm. So this is the question. Okay, we'll solve the same problem. Solve madi, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ solve madi. So what is the solution? What is the solution for this? What is the step 1? What is the step 1? Step 1 you have to apply the step 1 is basically you have to find the highest number between the 38220 and 176. Basically 38220 is the greatest number between 176, correct? 38220 ಇದೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡು. 3220 is greater than 176. So I have to divide 38220 with 176. Correct? I will use a calculator here. Okay, so please you also check what is the value. What is the value you can divide with respect to 176? Correct? So if I divide 38220 with respect to 176, what will be my value? So it will be around 217. It will be 217. So 217 times 176 if I do, it will be 38192. So if I subtract this, what will be my value? If I subtract this, what will be my value? So it will be 8. So this will be 2, this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0. So my remainder is 28. Correct? My remainder is 28. So whether remainder is equal to 0, 0 idya illa. So what you have to do? It is a no. The remainder is not equal to 0. So what you have to do? You have to continue. Okay, you have to continue. So what you have to do? Step 2 tawali. Step 2, what you have to do? You have to take two numbers. What are the two numbers? One is the divisor and the remainder. Correct alva? One is the divisor and the remainder. So what is the divisor here? Divisor is 176, remainder is 28. So you have to apply division again for this 176 and 28. Apply madi guys, apply madi. So what is this? Basically if I divide 176 with respect to 28, what will be the value? Please tell me 176, and if you divide with respect to 28, what will be the value? 28 6 correct? 28 6 168, correct? How the? So this will be 2. Sorry, this will be this is not 2. This will be 16 minus 8 is 8, correct? 6 minus 6 is 0, correct? So this is basically 8, correct? So 8 is the remainder, correct? 8 is the remainder. Whether remainder is equal to 0 idya illa, no, it is not. Then again what you have to do? You have to continue, go for next numbers. So what are the next numbers? Next number is basically 28, divisor ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, divisor and the remainder 28 and 8. So apply the Euclid's division lemma for 28 and 8. 28 8 3s are basically 8 3s are 24, correct? Now 4 is the remainder, correct guys? 4 is the remainder. Whether 4 is equal to 0, remainder 0 idya illa, no, it is not. So again what you have to do? Again you have to continue. You have to continue and you have to take the numbers. What are the numbers? You have to take 8 comma 4 for the next step, correct? 8 comma 4. Now in the next step what I have to do? I have to divide 8 with 4. So it will be 2, 4 2s are 8 and the remainder is 0. So whether this, now we got the remainder as 0. Yes, we got the remainder as 0. So my divisor, the final divisor which I get will be the HCF of the question. So what is the question now? So what was the question? So if I go back to the question, so they have asked to find the HCF of 176 and 38220. So the HCF, if I read the answer, HCF of 176 and 38220 is equal to 4. This is the answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? I hope the things are clear. We'll go through the problem once again ನೋಡೋಣ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. What we did first, initially we started with the greater number. ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. 3820 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 176 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು greater number ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. 3820 is a greater number. We started with dividing 3820 with 176. Then we found out the remainder as 28. Then we found out it is not equal to 0. Then again we continued with 176 divisor and the remainder. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? Again we got the remainder as 8, which is not, again it is not equal to 0. Again we have to continue till we get the remainder as 0. Correct? Again what we did, again the step 3, we took 28 and 8, then we divided, we got the remainder as 4, that is also not equal to 0. Again what we did, we took in the step 4, we took 8 and 4, then what we did, then at last we got the remainder as 0 at last, then the number which the divisor at the last will be the HCF of the given two numbers. I hope this is clear. Correct? In the next lesson video, what we do is we'll try to find out the HCF of, we'll find out the HCF of 3 numbers. Correct? We'll find the HCF of 3 numbers. How we can find the HCF of 3 numbers, we'll check out. We'll see in the next lesson video. Till then, take care, stay happy, stay healthy, and bye-bye.